Today, I'll be sharing a video with you all about a trading strategy that I'll be backtesting. This strategy was created by the YouTube channel TradeGenius titled How You Should Trade in 2023, a life-changing year for most traders, and I'll be taking a closer look to see if it's profitable or not. Specifically, I will be backtesting the strategy on the 15-minute gold chart with an initial account size of $1,000 and risking 2% per trade with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. With that said, the strategy that I'll be testing today is a forex trading strategy that utilizes 3 indicators to identify potential buy and sell signals. The 3 indicators are follow line indicator, whole moving average, MACD or moving average convergence divergence. I'll be going through the setup and configuration of each indicator, as well as the specific rules for identifying and executing valid buy and sell signals. I'll also be sharing my results from backtesting the strategy, including any potential profits or losses that I may have encountered. Now, let's get started with the setup of the first indicator, the follow line indicator. We'll be heading over to the indicators section and searching for the follow line indicator, and selecting the one at the top by TradeBlitz. In the Style tab, we'll be changing the shape to below the bar and the second one to above the bar. In the input section, the BB period should be set at 21, the deviations should be set at 1.5, and the ATR period should be set at 5. The blue icon that appears below the candle will be our main signal. Next, we'll be adding the whole moving average indicator to filter out any bad signals. We'll be heading over to indicators, searching for the whole moving average, and setting the length to 200 in the input section. In the Style tab, we'll be changing the plot color to white and making it a little more thicker. We'll be using this indicator to determine if we're in an uptrend or downtrend market. If the price action is above the HMA indicator, we're in an uptrend market and we should only take buy signals. If the price action is below the HMA indicator, we're in a downtrend market and we should only take short signals. The last indicator we'll be adding is the MACD or moving average convergence divergence. We'll be heading over to indicators, searching for the MACD and adding it to the chart. In the input section, we'll be changing the fast length to 45 and the slow length to 100. We'll also be changing the oscillator EMA type to SMA and the signal line EMA type to SMA. We'll be using this indicator to filter out any fake signals during range market. And finally, we'll be sharing the trading rules for this strategy. A buy signal will be valid when there's a long signal by the FLI indicator. The price action should be above the HMA indicator and the MACD histogram should be above the 0 level. We place our stop loss at the previous swing low and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. A sell signal will be valid when there's a short signal by the FLI indicator. The price action should be below the HMA indicator and the MACD histogram should be below the 0 level. We place our stop loss at the previous swing high and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now that we know the rules, let's start backtesting. After analyzing the data, we found that our strategy had a win rate of 43%. That means out of 100 trades, 43 were wins and 57 were losses. Now, let's take a look at some of the key performance indicators. Our strategy had a total of 43 wins and 57 losses. The most consecutive wins in a row was 5 and the most consecutive losses in a row was 6. But perhaps most importantly, our account gained 15%. Although it is not a bad performance, but it is not that great either. It's important to keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future results, and it's crucial to always do your own research and make your own trading decisions. We believe this strategy has room for improvement, but it's important to always manage your risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In any case, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And as always, thanks for watching.